fibers. Name any 3 synthetic fibers in the chat box. Yes. 3 synthetic fibers: nylon, rayon, polyester. Very good answers. Yes, Niti, Ravdeep, you're quick to answer. All of you should participate. Okay? All of you should write the answers. So 3 synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Clear? These are synthetic. We don't find them naturally. They are made by using chemicals. They are made in the factories. Clear? So next is give 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of synthetic fibers. सबसे पहले advantages. Write down the advantages in the chat box. Advantages means qualities. Okay. What is good about the synthetic fibers? Why are they popular? Why do we use synthetic fibers? Their quality is very good. Dry quickly, lightweight. Good answer, Avdeep. Yes, dry quickly. They are lightweight. They need not to be ironed. Very good. इनको हमें आयरन नहीं करना पड़ता बिकॉज दे आर रिंकल फ्री. इनको वल नहीं पड़ते. Synthetic fibers are not needed to be ironed. Okay, we don't iron them. Yes, iron free. They are stronger than the cotton clothes or natural clothes. इनकी strength भी ज़्यादा होती है. एक जो very good, durable. They last for long duration. ज़्यादा टाइम तक वो फटते नहीं हैं, फेड नहीं होते. They are easy to color. They are easy to dye. Yes, they are stronger. Nylon is very strong fiber. Okay, बहुत strong होती है nylon. That's why it is used to make the ropes. Ropes बनाते हैं ना, nets बनाते हैं because its strength is more. Good answers. So they are wrinkle free. They are lightweight, they are easy to color, they are stronger than the cotton clothes. And what about the disadvantages? Before writing the next question, आपको disadvantages भी लिखने हैं. Disadvantages not skin friendly. Okay, they can cause the rashes. Yes, Deepansha. Better sit properly. They catch fire easily. Very good. Okay, they are not skin friendly. They catch fire. They do not allow air to circulate. Yes. Very good. Yes, they catch fire easily. That's why we do not wear in the kitchen. Yes, they are not environment friendly also. They do not absorb the sweat. Okay, that's why they cause itching when we wear in the summers. They do not wear they do not absorb the sweat. Very good. Now next is, why is it not advised to wear synthetic clothes while burning crackers? During Diwali, when we burn the crackers, we are not advised to wear the synthetic fibers because they catch the fire easily. Okay, so they may cause an accident, they catch the fire easily. That's why it is not advised to wear the synthetic clothes while burning the crackers. Okay. Next is name 3 fibers which are obtained from plants. Which we obtain from plants? Yes, write down. Very good. Cotton and jute. Niti, quick to answer. Yes, good answer, Mridul. It's cotton, it's silk, it's jute. Jute we obtain from jute plant, cotton we obtain from cotton plant, and silk is obtained from silkworms. Okay, when we obtain the fiber either from plants or animals, they are called natural fibers. तो जो प्लांट से हमें मिलती हैं दे आर जूट, लिनन एंड कॉटन. सिल्क नहीं आएगा, सिल्क वी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम एनिमल. Wool is also there. Yes, good. Wool is obtained from animals. It's not from plants. Wool and silk from animals. जहाँ पे आएंगे cotton, jute and linen. Okay, linen is obtained from flax plant. कल देखा था ना आपने flax plant? Now name two fibers which we get from animals. वासवी आप भी मिक्सिंग कर रहे हो बेटा. You have to think about what you have to answer. If you are to answer fibers obtained from the plants, then you will not write silk and wool. They are not obtained from plants. They are to be written when we ask to write natural fibers. Natural means obtained from plants and animals. Now good, it is silk, it is wool. Clear? We can say leather also. Now why do we wear cotton clothes in summers? Yes, we are advised to wear cotton clothes in summers. Why do we prefer to wear the cotton clothes? Very good, Vinay. They keep us cool. How do they keep us cool? Because they absorb sweat. They circulate the air. Okay, they help to circulate the air. They keep us cool. Okay, they absorb the sweat. Yes, very good. That's why we wear the cotton clothes in summers, because they allow the heat of the body to escape, to exit. Abha, don't do this, beta. Only write the answers in the chat box. Okay, we feel comfortable when we wear cotton clothes in summers. Very good. Now, one thing I want to tell you, beta, when we send the answer key of short questions and long question answers, so the way you are writing in the chat box, okay, you can write the answers in the exams also on your own, not the crammed answers from the notebook. वो आपको हम एक रिकॉर्ड के लिए भेज रहे हैं. वी एक्सपेक्ट दैट थिंग. क्लियर? वो पॉइंट्स हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, बट इट विल बी बेटर इफ यू राइट द आंसर इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. क्लियर? कुछ पॉइंट्स और आपके माइंड में आते हैं, यू वांट टू राइट, तो यू कैन डू दैट. So yes, you are writing good answers. They are airy, they protect us from heat, they allow the air to circulate, they allow the heat to escape, they absorb sweat. So many points. Okay, you are writing. It's good. Clear? Now open your book at page number is 50. We will discuss the back exercise. You have to answer it through the chat box. If I name you, then you have to unmute yourself. Yes, first one is multiple choice questions. Clear? First is, yes, and you have to read it yourself. Abha, unmute yourself. Abha. Ishan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better read the first one and answer it.
Ma'am, paper.
Beta, you don't have to tell the answer directly. Read out the full statement first, then answer.
Okay.
Yes.
Which among the following is not used to make fiber? Paper.
Yes. Jute is used to make jute fiber. Cotton, we obtain cotton fiber from the cotton plant. Crude oil is also used to make the synthetic clothes. So what is not used to obtain the fiber? That is paper. Yes, good answer. Clear? Now next, Vivek, unmute yourself.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, Vivek, beta, read out the second one and answer it.
An astronaut wears a spacesuit because for protection.
Yes. An astronaut wears a spacesuit. Why do the astronauts they wear the spacesuits? In order to protect them. Can you tell किस चीज से वो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं? यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है टू लुक स्मार्ट. दिस इज नॉट द मेन रीजन. टू लुक स्केरी, नोज, किसी को डराना नहीं होता. टू लुक डिफरेंट, दिस इज नॉट द मेन कॉज. The main purpose is for protection. Yes, Vivek, can you tell किस चीज से वो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करती है बेटा? You can try. No problem अगर wrong है. स्पेस में क्या होता है जिस चीज से वो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं? Yes, Geetang.
Ma'am,
Yes, बेटा unmute yourself.
ma'am, from sun rays and cold.
Very good. Because it's very much cold over there. बहुत ठंड होती है. Okay. On the surface of moon at night it is very cool and during the daytime it is very hot. So in order to protect them, in order to maintain the temperature, proper temperature, they wear the spacesuit. Second, वहाँ पे pressure low होता है because there is no air. As there is no air, the pressure is less. In order to maintain the pressure, they wear the special suits and they have to protect against the UV rays. UV rays होती हैं, ultraviolet rays होती हैं, which are not good for the body. So in order to protect themselves from radiations, harmful radiations, they have to wear the special suits. Okay, beta. And next, Karman, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
जी बेटा बोलिए.
Synthetic clothes is not always suitable for making clothes because it is catch fire easily.
Very good. Synthetic clothes are not advised to wear in the kitchen. They are not suitable for making clothes because although other qualities are there, but they catch fire easily. That's why they are not advised. They are not suitable for making clothes. Otherwise, they are lightweight. Okay, otherwise they are wrinkle free. They are smooth also. But some disadvantages are also there. The main disadvantage is they catch fire easily. Now, next is fill in the blanks. Tanya, beta, unmute yourself. Tanya,
Yes, ma'am.
read the first, then answer.
Cloth is made by dash of fibers. Ma'am, weaving.
Weaving. Cloth is made by weaving of fibers. Clear? What is weaving? Can you answer it? What do you mean by weaving? What is weaving? It is the process. Yes. What is weaving? Yes, beta. Vinny, unmute yourself to answer what is weaving.
It is a good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Beta बोलिए.
It is a process of making clothes.
It is the process of making cloth by interlacing the two sets of yarn. Clear? Two sets of yarn हम लेते हैं, उनको interlace करते हैं at the right angles, and this is the process to make the cloth or fabric. Good answer. Other students can write in the chat box also, like Niti has written the answer in the chat box. Some other students are also writing. It's good. Yes, now you can unmute yourself better. Next, second one. Bhumi, unmute yourself. Read out, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out. Second.
Naphthalene balls are used to prevent damage to clothes by answer is keeping insects
Away.
away.
Okay, very good. Naphthalene balls are used to prevent damage to clothes by keeping the insects away. Like silverfish, छोटे छोटे insects होते हैं. They can damage the clothes. In order to keep the insects away, we have to put the naphthalene balls. कल आपने देखी थी ना, white color की balls होती हैं. You can ask your mother to show you. वो भी जब when they pack the clothes, then they put these balls in order to keep the insects away, so that clothes are protected. Okay, insects are kept away from the clothes. Now next, third one. Yes, Manveer. Unmute yourself, Manveer. Manveer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Read out the third and answer it.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the third, fill up, and answer it also.
Okay.
You don't know what we are doing? Read it out. You can say dash if you don't know the answer.
Dash.
Dash के आगे पढ़ो
Ma'am.
क्या है? Dash. Show me your book first. Do you have the book? Show me the book. Show it to me, beta. Keep it in front of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. You have opened it. The page is not 51 page. Okay. You have not opened it. It means you are waiting कि मैम आंसर की भेजेंगे तो कर लेंगे. No need to write sidewise or no need to be attentive in the class. This should not be there, beta. It's not good.
Ma'am, I have written.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written the back exercise.
But you are showing me the other page. It's not 51 page. If it is the book is obtained from an old student already filled, even then you should concentrate. It's not
Yes.
there कि आप पुरानी book ले रहे हो, answer already लिखे हुए हैं, तो you will not open it. How will you
Ma'am,
understand the things?
Ma'am, I have erased the answer and then I write them.
Okay, बेटा, then sidewise you should be very attentive कि class में क्या हो रहा है. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now, would you read it? Third. You are unmuted. You are muted, beta. Turn the mic on. Yes, turn the mic on, then read out.
Dash is a man-made fiber, nylon.
Very good. Okay, be good like this. Now be very attentive. Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Nylon is a man-made fiber. Clear? Nylon is a man-made fiber. What else you can write? It's not there कि you can write only nylon. You can write something else also. Some other synthetic fiber also. Some other man-made fiber also. Yes, Saisha. Unmute yourself. Or yes, what else can be? जी बेटा, नायलॉन की जगह पे हम और कौन सा लिख सकते हैं? पहले थर्ड वन पे करो. नायलॉन की जगह पे हम और कौन सा फाइबर लिख सकते हैं विच इज मैन मेड?
Rayon.
Rayon or polyester also. Okay. Acrylic also. Good. Now read out the fourth one. Read out the fourth fill-up. Yes, unmute yourself. Saisha, unmute yourself. Read out.
We should not wear clothes made of dash fibers in the kitchen. Synthetic.
Very good. Okay, we should not wear the synthetic clothes in the kitchen. Clear? Now, next, simmer. Simmer and unmute yourself. Simmer. Are you there, beta? Simmerpreet?
Yes.
Yes, read out the fifth one, beta.
Dash clothes are worn in summer to also wet to be absorbed. Cotton.
Yes, cotton clothes are worn in summer to allow sweat to be absorbed. Why do we prefer cotton clothes? Because they absorb the sweat. वो पसीना सोख लेते हैं. So answer is cotton clothes. Very good. Yes. Next, we have to give two examples of the following. Clear? आपको examples देनी है. Yes. Geetang. First of all, so you have to start the video. Start your video. Yes, Anvesha, what's the name? You also have to start the video. Yes, Jugraj, unmute yourself. Jugraj. Jugraj, are you there? Your video is not on and you are not unmuting yourself. Yes, Simarpreet is there. Yes, it's good, better. You have to keep your video on. Yes, Ekjot, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay, beta. Now read out the first one and give two examples.
See the first.
Clothes we feel comfortable in during summer. Cotton light colored clothes.
Yes, it's good. Light color clothes भी डालनी चाहिए. But can you give another example like cotton clothes, another natural fiber also you can write, that is linen. Okay. Two examples पूछा है तो you can write linen. Khadi is also there which we can wear during summer. वो summers में भी और winter में भी comfortable होती है. Okay बेटा. So cotton and second one is linen. And next, Dhruv, unmute yourself. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, better read out the second one.
Two synthetic fibers.
Yes. Name of the two synthetic fibers. Write down the name of two synthetic fibers. You have to unmute. Yes, unmute first. Better your mic is off.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, बोलिए two synthetic fibers.
Nylon
पॉलिएस्टर।
पोलिएस्टर। पोलिएस्टर की जगह पे कुछ और लिख सकते हो? ये मुझे
मैम
पता है।
कॉटन।
यस, कॉटन सिंथेटिक है। दैट्स इट। क्या आपने पुरानी बुक ली हुई है? उसमें आंसर ऑलरेडी लिखे हुए हैं, आपने पढ़ दिया, बट एक्चुअली जब मैंने चेंज करने को बोला है तो यू आर सेइंग कॉटन। इट मीन्स यू डोंट
मैम नो।
कॉन्सेंट्रेट। यस,
मैम नो मैम। मैम माय न्यू बुक है।
न्यू बुक है? ओके, फिर गुड, फिर ठीक है।
New।
देन यू कैन टेल नाइलॉन, पॉलिएस्टर एंड रेयन। कॉटन तो नेचुरल है, आपको कौन से बताने हैं? सिंथेटिक। ओके, सो आपको बहुत केयरफुली आंसर करना होता है। पहले क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से रीड करो, रीड इट आउट कि पूछा क्या गया है, देन यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर। यस, नेक्स्ट दिलशान, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। दिलशान।
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, beta, read out the next third one.
Ma'am, the numeral fibers.
Two.
Ma'am, two numeral fibers.
What is this? Natural.
Neutral.
Neutral mean natural. Speak out. Natural. Natural means either obtained from plants or animals. Nature में जो हमें मिलते हैं, हम factories में नहीं बनाते. Two natural fibers are. Now speak out. Answers बोलो.
Ma'am, two natural fibers. Ma'am, cotton, silk.
Cotton and silk. Very good. Cotton, silk, jute, and wool, linen. All these are natural fibers. Clear? Next is yarn. Unmute yourself. Yarn.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Good afternoon, बेटा। हाँ जी, बोलिए।
मैम टू थिंग्स ड्राइव अ इंसेक्ट।
Yes.
मैम नेफेथेलिन बॉल्स।
Once more. What you are saying? Naphthalene. Speak out.
नेफ्थलीन बॉल्स।
Yes. One more. I told you yesterday. One more can be.
मैम ड्राइड नीम लीव्स।
Very good. Dried neem leaves can also be used to keep the insects away. उनकी स्मेल भी इंसेक्ट्स को पसंद नहीं है. ओके, तो दे डू नॉट डैमेज द क्लोथ्स. When we keep the dried neem leaves, the clothes are not damaged. Okay, they are protected. Next, last one, that is garima. गरिमा बेटा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, बोलिए बेटा. फिफ्थ वन.
Clothes we wear in winter that keep us warm. Woolen clothes
यस.
and
One more. Very good. Woolen clothes we wear in the winter. हम वुलन्स डालते हैं, और क्या डाल सकते हैं? वुलन स्वेटर्स डालते हैं, और जो हम क्लोथ्स यूज करते हैं दैट कैन बी. कौन सा फैब्रिक यूज कर सकते हैं? वी कैन यूज सिल्क ऑल्सो. क्लियर? सिल्क भी एयर सर्कुलेट नहीं करती, एयर ट्रैप करती है, एंड इट डज नॉट अलाउ द बॉडी हीट टू गो out to exit. So we can write silk also. Clear? Silk, wool, leather jackets. Very good. Full sleeve बेटा वो stuff में नहीं आएगा, हमने cloth पूछा है. Okay, विवेक is writing full sleeve. वो तो ठीक है कि full sleeve ही हम डालते हैं. Then wool is the number one. Second, fleece we can write. Then we can write the silk. Okay. And now we are going to ask you the questions. Although answers are not sent yet, I'll send the answer key, but let's discuss first. List 2 differences between cotton and wool. I want to know your answers, your points, okay? Yes, raise hand who will answer. Vinay, unmute yourself, Vinay. Justage. I'm allowing you to unmute. जो भी आंसर देना चाहते हैं, you can give the answer. You can unmute yourself. Now you are.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, सरना बोलिए.
Cotton and wool are different because point number 1, we get cotton from plants and wool from animals like sheep and buffalo.
Yes, very
And cotton
good.
from
What
cotton
are you
plant.
eating, beta? What is in your mouth?
मैम क्लास शुरू होने से पहले मैम मैंने अपने माउथ में मैम पोमोग्रेनेट के मैम खाने के मैम डाले थे मैम पोमोग्रेनेट खाया था मैम पर अब तक मुझसे च्यू नहीं हुए.
Okay. So cotton is obtained from plants and wool is obtained from animals. Another difference?
Number 2, we wear cotton clothes in summer and woolen clothes in winter.
Very good. We wear cotton in summer and wool in winter. Yes. Now, who want to tell the third point? Now it's good. Very good answer, Arnav. Now you can mute yourself. Third point, if somebody want to discuss, to say, you can unmute. Another point. Yes. Sabrina, you can unmute. Turn the mic off, on if you want to say something. Third point can be, yes, cotton circulates the air and wool, air is trapped. Okay, in between the holes जो wool में होते हैं उनमें air trap होती है. Wool does not allow the body heat to exit and cotton allows the body heat to exit. Clear? Yes. The next question is, ये हमने अभी discuss कर लिया. Then why should we wear light colored clothes in summer and dark colored clothes in winter? Who will answer? Bhumi, you can unmute if you want to answer. Unmute, beta.
Can I?
Yes, Vinay. Yes, beta, you can.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. बोलिए.
Number 1, we wear light colored clothes in cotton in summer season because they are airy.
They absorb less heat. This is the main reason, okay? They absorb less heat. That's why we wear the light colored clothes in summer and we wear dark clothes in winter because they absorb more heat. जितने डार्क कलर हैं, लाइक ब्लैक कलर है, हम ब्लैक कलर हम विंटर्स में डालते हैं, समर्स में हम प्रेफर नहीं करते बिकॉज डार्क कलर्स जो हैं, ब्लैक कलर जो है वो ज़्यादा हीट एब्जॉर्ब करता है और हम लाइट कलर और वाइट कलर्ड क्लॉथ्स वियर करते हैं इन द समर्स. ओके,